Understanding, relaxing by the pool. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very picturesque phrase that you might come across in English conversations, stories, or even when planning a holiday. Relaxing by the pool. It's a simple phrase, but it's packed with imagery and feeling. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's such a popular way to describe a form of leisure. Relaxing by the pool combines two key concepts: relaxing and by the pool. To relax means to become less tense or anxious and to take a break from work or other efforts. The word by in this context means near or next to. And a pool refers to a large structure filled with water for swimming. So, when we put it all together, relaxing by the pool describes the activity of resting or engaging in leisure activities near a swimming pool. This phrase evokes a strong visual and emotional response. It suggests not just the act of resting, but doing so in a particularly serene or luxurious setting. Pools are often associated with vacation, leisure, and enjoyment. They're places where people go to unwind and escape the routine of daily life. Therefore, saying someone is relaxing by the pool not only tells us what they're doing, but also paints a picture of a peaceful, enjoyable environment. You can use relaxing by the pool in various contexts. It could be part of a conversation about vacation plans, a way to describe someone's weekend activity, or even in a narrative setting to set the scene for a tranquil moment. Here are a few examples. After months of hard work, I'm looking forward to relaxing by the pool in Hawaii. They spent their Sunday afternoon relaxing by the pool, enjoying the sunshine. The hotel offered a perfect spot for relaxing by the pool, with a view of the mountains. In many cultures, the idea of relaxing by the pool is synonymous with luxury and leisure. It's often featured in advertisements, movies, and social media to depict an idealized lifestyle of relaxation and affluence. Understanding this phrase and its connotations can also give insight into cultural values around leisure and how people prefer to spend their free time. Relaxing by the pool is more than just a phrase. It's a mini vacation in words. It represents a universal desire for rest, leisure, and enjoyment in a serene setting. We hope this exploration helps you understand and use this phrase more effectively in your English conversations. Whether you're planning your next getaway or dreaming of a peaceful afternoon, remember the joy that comes with relaxing by the pool. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been both informative and enjoyable.